Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Holafly, Airalo, and Saily. Holafly, Airalo, and Saily are all popular eSIM providers, but they have different features and strengths. Holafly offers eSIM mainly for travelers and focuses on providing unlimited data plans for specific countries or regions. It's easy to use, works immediately after activation, and doesn't require changing your physical SIM. However, it can be more expensive compared to other providers. Airalo is one of the largest eSIM marketplaces. It offers both regional and global eSIM plans, often at lower prices than Holafly. It's great for frequent travelers because you can buy small data packages or long-term plans. Airalo also supports many countries, but some users report slower customer support. Saily focuses on flexibility. Saily focuses on flexible, pay-as-you-go eSIM plans with multiple carrier options. It's useful if you want to switch networks or only use a small amount of data. The app interface is simple, but coverage and data speed can vary depending on the country and network. In short, Holafly is best for easy, unlimited travel data. Airalo is ideal for affordable and widely supported global or region plans, and Saily works well for flexible, pay-as-you-go use with multiple carriers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.